Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video this is the last video of all 5 Nights at Freddy's Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. This is going to be the last tutorial, the last video where we're going to recapitulate all things we've done in the stream, because it was really hard to tell what are we doing there. It was laggy, and yeah, I'm gonna turn.
Hello, I see you are new for the job
and
in
we can see,
Fazbear Entertainment.
first of all, the puppet can now kill us.
I'm gonna tell you what to do. First of all, on the right side, there are cameras. You can look around the area and... Hello,
we now have
I see you are new.
Static TV. We're gonna see how it works. First of all, if we go to Freddy, Blueprint Editor, we can see we replaced the punch animation with jump scare. The jump scare animation is here. This is the jump scare animation. You can see it's like this. Maybe I can rotate it a little bit. Maybe just keep applying. How we did that, we just got his hat, we made this key, this key. You can see if you press play, it's like this. We can go down and look how it works. And this is all of the rotation. Anyway, and that. No, I won't do it now. We did it like this. So this is the jump scare animation we did last time. Next thing is the static TV. We found a static texture. We can see in here. This is how it looks like. This is the wall thing. This is how it looks. You need to grab this, go to flip book, and drag this here, and drag these in here and here. And this should work. Nice and easy. Fine. We can apply the changes. Anyway, now we can go here and see it's working. The next thing, what we did was the puppet. Yes. If we create, we will delay, then he will create the death widget, and he will show the cursor and play the jump scare sound. We don't have the jump scare sound yet, so we're gonna leave it like this. After that, what we need to do, what we did, is I think that's pretty much everything, is that we finished the main menu. You can see the main menu on extras and continue. We didn't do that. I saw a lot of requests how to do the extras menu. So you know what, let's do that. Let's create a new map and file, new level, and create an empty level because we want dark, not a cube. I'm gonna make it lit, not light, from the spotlight. Want it to be spotlight, make it bigger, like this, and we want to place the animatronic there. Freddy, sorry. Get old Freddy in here, T-posing, like he was. Okay, you can see the preview, but don't worry, it will go away in a while. Just need to build the lighting like this. We can make maybe here in the middle. And now we want to go to level blueprint and take, get a reference, set actor rotation, get actor rotation. We want to make him rotate. So we want to split track. We want to make it which value? Yeah, the Z, XYZ, so the Z one. I'm gonna do that -1. And do this, and this. Compile and save now. Save it as extras. If we press play, we need to make the camera here, and if we want to go to extras, gameplay, get a reference, and set view target, unclick the content sensitive, set view target with blend, like this. The target is going to be get player controller. So now we plug this in. The blend time is 0, make it 0. And now we have this Freddy rotating. We can maybe make the light little from here, so we can actually see him. And usually extras are just showcase of the animatronics. We can make it a little slower, we're gonna delay. Or we're gonna make it 0.3, like. We can see the Freddy, we can give him an animation. Asset, and let's use standing. Now we need to make the camera right click and pilot so we can see the camera's view, and we can do this. Now if we press play, we can see Freddy. The problem is we have the mannequin here, which we don't want. So we're gonna make the player start in somewhere where it's just useless. So right there. Press play now. Now we have a Freddy that's rotating. And now we can make a UI for it to go back. So if you want, let's make text. And we're gonna make it Q to quit. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this. Q to quit. And now let's make it Q quit. Game. Not game, I'm an idiot, sorry. Open level and main menu. And now, once we have this, you can see the extras button is you can see it's not here, it's you can't click it because you haven't beaten the game. What we want to do is if he beats the game, you can go to the extras. So you're gonna go to the maps and to the main menu, save selected. We have the main menu right here, open the main menu, click on extras, and on clicked, open level extras. Compile and save. Now what we want to do is to create our content. Let's right click and create a blueprint class. Click on all classes and game instance. Click on game instance and select. Let's make it my game instance. Now we have a game instance. Right. Double click it and let's make a variable. Did beat the game. Compile and save. And it's false. Now in here, in the menu, let's open the level blueprint and let's branch and begin play. If get game instance cast to my game instance and plug is before the branch and get is did beat game. And now through this game instance you can share variables through the whole game so they won't reset once you go to another level. You can try that, but if you beat the game, you know what, let's get this, delete that, no, let's leave it like this. And if it's true, if you did beat the game, if false, we won't do anything. If true, we are going to go from here to here and get extras button, and I'm not very sure how it's called, so hold on. It is enabled. Yeah. So if it's true, we can click it. Okay, so the it's enabled is false, and from here we're gonna set is enabled and true to true, and if not, let's set it to false. Like this. Now we have the working. So if we go to our map, night 2, and my game instance, if you beat the game, you want to, we don't have anything. Level blueprint. Not very sure where is it. Anyway, I think it's in the UI. So, God damn it. Okay, so because we want to check. Okay, so if you want to set the game instance, just go to get game instance, cast to game instance, my game instance, and then get did beat game, and or you can set did beat game, and if you set it to true, you beat the game, and now you can actually go to the extras. I will delete this, and yeah, that's exactly how can you do that. So now that we have that out of the way, I think we can just go to the ending of the whole series. I think there is nothing more to cover. I mean the basics. Of course, we can make the whole Five Nights at Freddy's game. I don't want to do that because I want you guys to be creative. And if you want, um, you can look at my freeroam tutorial, which is coming soon, the third part. You can look at my dark deception tutorial, which I'm gonna be making because some people suggested that. And last thing I want to say is I want you guys to send me in the comments your games, because I really want to see what you can do, what you can do with my tutorials, and how your game will look like. You can send it to me Discord. You can send it through I don't know, to the comments. Anyway, I will be happy to see all of your games, gamers. Okay. So please, after you finish the series, send me the game. A short video is enough. Or you can send me the game after you finish it. But I just want to see it. I really want to see it. Anyway, guys, this is end of Five Nights at Freddy's. Thank you for following the project. If you have any questions, you can still ask on our Discord, Steam Games. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.